One of my best pieces of advice to find the right venue is to hire a planner. A planner is going to know all of the options for a venue and take you to the right venue that's going to make sense for what you're looking for your budget, for the overall vision that you want. And a planner probably knows a lot of venues that you may not be able to find either online or on social media. So hiring a planner is definitely one of the best things you can do to find the right venue. Another really good thing to do is to always request a sample contract from the venues that you're considering, because the sample contract is really not only going to tell you what the total cost of the venue is, but also it'll tell you what the venue includes and doesn't include. No two venues are the same. So you always want to make sure that when you're comparing venue 1 to venue 2 to venue 3, you're looking at all of the different factors. Venues not only differ in cost, but different venues have different rules and restrictions, what vendors you can use, what vendors you're not allowed to use, permits and insurances that are required, guest accessibility. Does the venue have catering? Does the venue provide rentals? Or does the venue provide none of that and you have to find all of those things yourself? And make sure you're comparing venues apples to apples. And having a planner is really going to help you do that.